Hello everyone, this is Neelam Sondhya. I am a software engineering student in International Institute of Professional Studies DAVV Indore. Today I am making a video on the topic of fundamentals of Python. So basically, what is Python? Python is a programming language which we use in web development, software development, data science, automation, etc. etc. Okay, we will cover the basic coding in Python from writing commands to importing packages and saving output, giving you the foundation to start. Okay, we will go to the next slide. First, using comment in Python. What are comments? Comments are line of code that are ignored by interpreter. They are used to explain the code, document its documentary in its functionality, or temporarily disable parts of the part of code. Okay, in Python, comments are created by placing a hash symbol before the comment text. You can place a comment on a separate line or at the end of line code. I will show on VS Code that how we use comment by placing hash symbol before it. So this is our code. So there is another way of commenting a line or text by triple quote. I will show that also. You can see in output there is no this is a comment in Python because we place an hash symbol before it. Okay, another way. So so I will use triple quotes for this. This is also not come in the output. So they are the basic two type of using comment in Python. You can see in the output. We will go to the presentation. So executing Python commands. Three ways: interactive mode, script mode, or integrated development environment. First, interactive mode. Interactive mode, you can type Python commands directly into the Python interpreter which execute them immediately. Second, script mode. You can write Python code in a file and then run the file using the Python interpreter. You can use a dedicated IDE, means integrated development environment, like Visual Studio Code for writing, debugging, and executing Python code with the features and such as syntax and highlighting. Importing packages in Python. So what are packages? Packages are collection of modules containing reusable code. The code written in packages we can reuse. Okay, basically the modules are individual file with Python code and function or classes, reusable units of code within module. So how do we import a package in VS Code? I will show. There is a module called math. We use math. So the output is given in comment, but I will show you. So the output is 5.0. You can see that. We will go to the slide. Now, getting data into Python. How we get that data in Python? There are basically four ways: file, databases, web APIs, and user inputs. Files. What file does? File read data from the text or CSV files. Database. Database connect to database and retrieve the data. web IPs data from the online sources, or user inputs are get data directly from the user. Saving data in Python. Print function, which saves data, display output to the console. File writing, save output to a file. This save the output in a file. Data serialization, store data in a structured format like XML or JSON. Okay. Accessing records and variables in Python. First, list, dictionary of variables. List are ordered collection of items which are under the square brackets. I can show in the VS Code. Okay. What are list? Lists are the ordered collection. They can allow duplicates. Okay. They are under the square brackets. You can see I made a list, my list. I give apple, banana, cherry and print list. So in the output you can see apple and 30 the output, because the second one is dictionary. Dictionary I am only printing the age. So this is the type which we access variables, lists, and also save the data. Okay, this is all about the basics of fundamental Python. Summary is we will cover the essential elements of Python programming. This foundation allow you to bring writing simple programs, analyze data and create useful applications. To further your Python journey, consider exploring the following resources. You can see online tutorials or courses which I made for you. Practice by writing Python codes and various projects. Join online commentary to discuss the learn others.